In a recent CNBC interview on March 3, 2025, Tom Lee, co-founder and chief investment officer at Strat Global Advisors, shared his view on the current market conditions. Despite the prevailing gloom and the panic gripping investors, Lee suggested that the market might be bottoming out this week.
You said choppy. You said exactly this. You said choppy for how long, but then the S&P again starts moving. And this is not, I don't think, an obvious or a logical conclusion to have right now.
We could be bottoming, maybe this week. It's kind of weighing on investors' minds. We're seeing it even in the surveys and CEOs because the tariffs and DOGE are, the DOGE is creating austerity. Tariffs are creating uncertainty. Businesses are maybe sort of sitting on their hands.
With the market in free fall and uncertainty paralyzing many, he warned that this very moment could represent the greatest wealth-building opportunity of a lifetime. Time and again, investors hesitate during downturns, waiting for that perfect moment to buy. They convince themselves to wait for an even deeper drop, only to see the market rebound sharply and leave them watching from the sidelines with regret. The market, however, moves relentlessly regardless of individual hesitation. Astute investors recognize that waiting for the absolute bottom is a fool's errand. They view market red days as golden opportunities to step in, while others are paralyzed by fear. As the old adage goes, buy when others are fearful, and sell when others are greedy. Today's discussion will demonstrate why history shows that purchasing during market crashes can lead to substantial gains, and why trying to time the exact bottom is almost certain to have you miss out. As always, if you're enjoying our market insights, please like and subscribe to our channel and share this with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. With Tom Lee predicting a potential bottom this week, now might be your final chance to snap up discounted stocks before the next rally kicks off. Let's first turn our attention to Lamb Weston Holdings, Inc., trading under the ticker symbol LAW. For over 70 years, Lamb Weston has established itself as a household name in the frozen potato products industry. Every day, the company serves approximately 80 million portions of fries worldwide, employing more than 10,000 people and operating in over 100 countries. Lamb Weston is renowned for its reliability, producing high-quality fries and other frozen potato products for both restaurant chains and consumers. The business is divided into two main segments, with roughly 33% of its sales coming from North America and a robust 67% generated internationally. This expansive global reach and storied history have cemented Lamb Weston's leadership in its field over the decades. Lamb Weston has continuously broadened its international operations, ensuring that its beloved fries reach millions of customers every day. The company has forged strong partnerships with major restaurant chains and retailers across the globe, helping it maintain a dominant position in an industry that feeds millions daily. An interesting tidbit: Lamb Weston's success is partly attributed to its proprietary process that locks in the natural flavor and texture of potatoes, a technique that has made their fries a favorite among gourmet chefs and fast food giants alike. On the financial front, Lamb Weston posted a significant boost in net sales, rising by approximately $1.117 billion to around $6.467 billion, marking a 21% increase compared to fiscal 2023. This impressive surge includes over $1.107 billion in incremental sales from the consolidation of LW and Lamb Weston Elementos Modernos S.A. Excluding these acquisitions, organic net sales saw a modest increase of roughly $9.6 million, with about a $135 million reduction in growth attributed to challenges from an ERP system transition. Despite these transitional hurdles, the company's operational performance remains robust, as evidenced by a substantial rise in gross profit. It is important, however, for investors to note that part of this increase is influenced by one-time acquisition adjustments and hedging gains. Adjusted gross profit climbed by around $262 million, reaching roughly $1.758 billion. Reported net income for the period was approximately $725 million, down by about $283 million compared to the previous fiscal year, partly due to a net loss of $14.4 million from foreign currency exchange and derivative mark-to-market adjustments. Diluted earnings per share dropped to $4.98, a decline of $1.97 year over year. Nevertheless, adjusted net income increased by roughly $43.2 million to about $739 million, and adjusted diluted EPS edged up to $5.08, indicating an underlying improvement in profitability despite the reported figures being affected by non-cash items and currency fluctuations. Additionally, Lamb Weston's adjusted EBITDA grew by approximately $167.3 million, showcasing enhanced cash generation and operational strength even amid transitional challenges. Overall, while strategic acquisitions have propelled net sales growth, the modest organic sales increase signals that further operational improvements are necessary as the company continues to integrate and stabilize its systems. Lamb Weston, with its blend of a time-tested brand and modern strategic acquisitions, remains a compelling stock for those monitoring the market closely. Now, let's shift gears to Kratos Defense and Security Solutions Inc., trading under the ticker symbol KTOS. In an era where security threats are evolving rapidly, Kratos stands at the forefront of defense innovation. Founded in 1994 and headquartered in San Diego, California, the company is revolutionizing modern warfare and national security with its commitment to next-generation technology. Kratos specializes in a broad spectrum of high-tech fields including unmanned systems, satellite communications, missile defense, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence-driven military solutions. With a team of top-tier engineers and defense experts, Kratos develops state-of-the-art technologies for the United States Department of Defense and allied nations worldwide. Over the years, the company has achieved significant milestones in military technology, notably with its groundbreaking Valkyrie drone program, an autonomous unmanned combat aerial vehicle designed to operate in tandem with fighter jets. Their software-based ground system solutions have also set new standards for next-generation space and satellite communications, complementing their leadership in microwave products, missile defense, and training solutions. Here's an intriguing fact. Kratos was among the early adopters of artificial intelligence in unmanned systems, a move that dramatically enhanced operational efficiency and redefined standards in autonomous defense technology. This pioneering approach not only distinguishes Kratos from its competitors, but also solidifies its position as a trailblazer in the defense sector. Looking at Kratos' 2024 financial performance, the company recorded a remarkable surge in full-year revenue, almost doubling from 2023, highlighting its expanding market share and the soaring demand for its innovative defense technologies. A striking 99.1% organic growth underlines the firm's ability to expand internally without a heavy reliance on acquisitions. An operating income of $29 million signals a turnaround in profitability, while a net income of $16.3 million represents a significant recovery from the previous year's loss of $8.9 million, bolstering investor confidence. With robust leadership in rapidly growing sectors such as unmanned systems and space communications, Kratos is well positioned for sustained long-term success. For investors, the combination of strong revenue growth, improved margins, and an expanding footprint in critical defense and security markets makes Kratos a stock to watch. Delving deeper into the numbers, Kratos' adjusted EBITDA reached $15.7 million, reinforcing its strong cash flow and operational efficiency. The company's book-to-bill ratio, standing at 1.2 to 1, is a bullish indicator that Kratos is receiving more new orders than it can currently fulfill. This relentless drive for innovation is further underscored by a $40.3 million reinvestment in research and development, enhancing its leadership in unmanned systems, microwave products, and satellite technology, paving the way for exponential future growth. Despite facing some cost pressures, such as a slight dip in operating income to $2.9 million in one of its divisions due to rising material and subcontractor costs, the company's adjusted EBITDA in that segment climbed to $16.3 million, demonstrating resilience in a challenging environment. Looking ahead to 2025, Kratos forecasts its revenue to range between approximately $1.26 billion and $1.285 billion, with operating income projected between $34 million and $39 million. Adjusted EBITDA is expected to fall between $112 million and $118 million, while operating cash flow is estimated to range from $50 million to $60 million. The company's strategic investments in manufacturing and production expansion are anticipated to result in capital expenditures between $25 million and $135 million, reflecting an aggressive growth strategy. Several key factors make Kratos an attractive investment. Robust defense spending amid rising global tensions, technological leadership in unmanned combat systems and AI-driven defense solutions, consistent revenue and earnings growth, and an undervalued stock with a bullish outlook. In today's dynamic environment, Kratos Defense and Security Solutions is not only pioneering the future of warfare and national security, but is also building a strong financial foundation for long-term growth. Its robust market presence, innovative technological advancements, and sound financial performance offer a compelling investment opportunity. As always, ensure that any investment aligns with your overall strategy and do your own research. If you found this analysis insightful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth financial insights and stock market updates. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.